Okay, let's go.
Happy 4th of July. We out here on Santa Monica Boulevard. Got myself a sandwich from Mamie Kitchen, LA. I'm here with my brother and I got myself mole cola from Italian. So a mole cola. And I dropped one of these back in the restaurant. It splashed everywhere. That was embarrassing. My brother just took one bite and he's mesmerized by the sandwich. Okay, he's just not saying anything. He's just straight getting into the sandwich. Cheers. This is their famous bread, by the way. The sandwich is fresh. Also a key fact that we spend $50 plus for 2 drinks and 2 sandwiches. So do what you can do with that information, but the sandwich is really good. I would say it's worth $50. Yeah, because the bread is really good, the ingredients are really fresh. I'm already ate it, but for the quantity it's a little less. Other than that, it's good. Here at Venice Beach, it's really packed. Enjoy some little clips of Venice Beach, and then from here on after I'm gonna go to San Bernardino to enjoy the fireworks of 4th of July. Happy 4th of July once again. And here are some clips from the Venice Beach. Sorry, can I have a back trainer? We out here in Santa Barbara and we are on the West Beach. This is the view right now. Walking back to homie 7-Eleven to eat some food. We'll be back for fireworks here at Santa Barbara West Beach.
फिर पता लगू जिद्दन मजीठे दा हत्थ पै गया जेड़ी ऐनकां ने एवें नहीं लाइयां
Enjoy some fireworks.
My heart gets colder, I lose my soul, like my love for you. I stuck myself and I shut myself. Don't feel my eyes, they make a light.
Hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks. That was all 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. That was it for this vlog. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.